Hi guys, I want to give you a quick tutorial to show you how to complete one of the text evidence comprehension passages. The first thing you want to do is come to where it says name. There's a text box there for you. You can type your name. Next, you're going to read your passage 3 times. Okay, so we're going to start at the beginning, read the whole thing. Once you've read it, you can put a check in the box. Now you need to go back and read it a second time. Put another check in the box. Now the third time you should really be reading fluently and with good comprehension because you've already read it twice. So now the third time, read with expression and fluency. So we read it the third time and then we check off the box. Now we've completed our reading. Now we can move on to the questions. There are 2 parts for the questions. First is typing your answer and the second is to show in the passage where you got your answer. We're proving it by showing our evidence. So the first question here is, why is Fern nervous about visiting the dentist? Well, I remember reading about that at the beginning of the passage, so I'm going to take my blue line and go up and find it. Okay, it says she was nervous about her first visit. The next sentence explains why. She did not know what would happen and she was afraid it would hurt. Okay, so that is showing me the answer. So I'm going to take my blue line. This is the beginning. I need to continue it over there. So I'm going to copy and paste to make another line so I can finish that sentence. Okay, and I don't have to copy the sentence exactly when I give my answer. I can use my own words, but I want to use a complete sentence. So why is Fern nervous? She was afraid it would hurt. All right, and I showed you with my blue line that this is where I got my information. Okay, so do the same thing with the red. Read the question, find the answer, and show me with the red line where that answer is. Okay, if you accidentally delete a line and you think, oh no, how can I do that? You go to the undo button and you can go back to whatever you just did. Okay, you can also if you need to make lines bigger or smaller, you just drag it in or out like so. So you do the same thing with the red and the green. Now when you get to the yellow, this is an inference question. It means you're not going to find the exact wording in the story, but you are going to make an educated guess based on the clues. You're going to find clues in the story. So this one says, make an inference, which food is not good for your teeth? Well, most of you probably already know which one of those is not good for your teeth. But if we want to show in the story the clues, we can show that with the yellow line. So I remember, because I read it 3 times, the dentist is telling Fern to brush her teeth every day and not to eat too many foods that are sugary and sticky because they are not good for your teeth. So I'm going to copy and paste my line and underline this. This is my clue. It doesn't say candy's not good for your teeth, but it says don't eat things that are sugary and sticky. And the only one on here that's sugary and sticky is candy, so I know that's the answer. The last question is one that you just type. You don't have any evidence or any clues. This is just simply a question about you. What do you like? Do you like to visit the dentist? Yes, because I always get a prize. But you get to write whatever you want to answer that question. Okay, and now once you do all these questions, you're done. So I hope you have fun doing these text evidence comprehension passages.